When preparing for a move-in or a move-out, the first thing you'll need is to print an itemized checklist. These can be found on the CAA website.
As you begin to fill out the checklist in the home, you'll notice that there are many items that this checklist has that overlaps between each room of the house. These items include ceiling, doors, walls, floors, cabinets and doors, shelves, drawers, windows, screens, window coverings, electric fixtures, light bulbs, closets, smoke detectors, and a carbon monoxide detector.
In the kitchen, here's what you'll look for. Drains and disposal, sinks and faucets, under the sink, countertops, hood and filter, fan and light, and the microwave. You'll also want to take a closer look at each individual appliance. For the stove and oven, make sure to check the outside of the stove and the oven surfaces, the oven racks, the broiler pan, the light inside the oven, the vent, the timer and controls, and the drip pans.
For the refrigerator, it's fairly simple what to look for. You'll look at the inside and the outside to make sure it's clean. The same applies with the dishwasher. Make sure the outside and controls are functioning and clean, as well as the inside and the racks. Also inspect the washer and dryer, both inside and outside, as well as the hookups, to make sure that it's clean and in working condition.
When inspecting the bathroom, make sure to check the mirror, towel racks, countertops, the sink, faucets, drains and under the sink, bowl or seat of the toilet, exhaust fan, tub or shower, caulking, the shower door and tracks.
In both the front and backyard, document the landscaping, the sprinklers, fences and gates, and any other unique features that might be worth noting. On the exterior of the house, make sure you've checked that the electric fixtures and light bulbs are working as well.
Make sure there's a hot water source as well as at least one heat source before the tenant moves in.
As you're walking through the property, make sure you're taking comprehensive photos. This is important for record keeping, and you can upload all of these into AppFolio for later viewing.
Additionally, if there's anything unique about the property that's not listed, be sure to add it to the comment section of the move-in, move-out checklist.
Completing an accurate move-in and move-out checklist is incredibly important to make sure you document the condition of the property in full. This can result in ensuring that the tenants are charged appropriately for any damage they may have caused.